This is going to be a video to help you find the equation of a line from a graph. Now what I mean by an equation of a line, I want to be able to write that equation in what they call slope-intercept form. What that means is I'm going to write it in the form of y equals mx plus b, where m is equal to the slope and b is equal to the y-intercept. Now in order to find the equation or the slope of a line, I need to find two lattice points. A lattice point is just the intersection of two grid lines on a coordinate plane. As you can see, there are many lattice points on this equation. One is right there, and another lattice point is right there, and for this line, a third lattice point would be right there. Let's go ahead and find the lattice points, and I'm going to use this lattice point right there, and that lattice point right there to find the slope of this line. I've already showed you where my rise is, and in this case I'm going down 1, so my rise is -1. My run is going to be 3, because I go right there and I go 1, 2, 3 to the right, or over 3. So my slope for this problem is going to be -1 over 3. So I can start my equation as y equals -1/3 x. Now the last thing I have to do is find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is just where the graph crosses the y-axis. Here's the origin at 0, 0. My y-axis is my axis that goes up and down, or my vertical axis. The numbers above the origin are positive integers, so +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. And my numbers below, or the lines below the origin, are my negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, and so forth. This line crosses the y-axis right here. And if I look at this, that's going to be +1, +2, +3. So the equation of this line is going to be y equals -1/3 x, because -1/3 is my slope, plus 3, because that's the y-intercept. Let's do one more line. Here we have a line that's also going down from left to right, so I already know it's going to have a negative slope. My rise for this problem is going to be -2, because I'm going down 2. My run is going to be over 1. So I'm trying to put this in y equals mx plus b form. So y equals, my slope is -2 divided by 1, x, and then now my y-intercept, here's 0, 0, is -1, -2, -3. So it's going to be -3. Well, -2 over 1 is the same thing as -2. So the equation for this line is y is equal to -2x minus 3.